Hello everyone. Everybody is discussing about the increase in energy prices or the heating cost in Germany. So let me show you a magic. What can help in that case? Ta-da! These are the candles which are called Tealight, and today we are going to learn how to make a room heater using these tea lights. Can you make a room heater using this pot? Let's find out. I saw somewhere in internet if you use a terracotta pot. I didn't got any terracotta pot, so I got pot that is made up of porcelain, and I think it should work. It also have a hole, and it has costed me about 5.98 euros, and it came with this Untersetzer or the base, and we are trying to make a room heater. Then here I have a candle. This kind of candle is called tea light, and that you can get very cheap in any kind of a store in Germany. And now we are going to lit this up. So here candle is lit, and now I am going to cover it up with this pot like this, and you make sure that there is some space so that air can let inside. And then one more thing that we have to do is here there is some heat. You feel if you put your finger here, and in order to conduct this heat properly, we are going to put something of metal. Oh, you can see inside. That's funny. So here is a 5-cent coin, and I am going to cover this hole using this coin. So this time I will try it with an old muffin mold trick. So I am putting this inside a muffin mold, and then I will put it up. In that way you can even lit up 4 or 5 candles and then put this container. I am really eager to see the results soon, so that's why I am lighting 3 candles on, and then we will cover it with this container and then a coin. I hope this will light for longer, because these are yeah, and there is enough space to get the fire going. See. Okay, see you in a few minutes. Okay, after 15 minutes there is an update. This one is still burning, but other two are off, and this pot is piping hot. I cannot touch it, it's very hot, and just from the above it's very hot, I would say. So I think this is gonna work. Let's see. I'm not going to lit the other candles up. This one is doing great. So 3 hours later, this candle is still on, and this pot is still very warm, and especially this coin, it is very warm. And you can see the candle here. Now I'm thinking that how to remove this pot, and how to make this candle off. So let's try. But this works, guys. This works. It's a win. Actually, I found this the first way in internet through a survivalist video, and then I used my own mind and I make it more compact. In the first video, they used muffin tray and a planter, a terracotta planter. I didn't got a terracotta planter, so I bought a porcelain planter. Somehow, muffin tray system was not working. So what I did was, instead of using a muffin tray, I used another trick, and in return this planter worked really well and it became very efficient. And the day I started doing this, till now I am using this trick every day at my home to keep it warm and cozy. So this is the most compact version of this room heater. What I did was, instead of muffin tray, I used this steel lunch box, And this is working even better because as I showed you before in the video that there was not enough oxygen for these candles to burn. And in this setup it is so that through this area and the fresh air can pass through. So that's why this is still, these candles are still on. And you see, with the three candles it is very compact and it is heating very nicely. So since last 4 hours this one is working and we are very happy with the result. So if you find this tip useful, then don't forget to again hit like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't clicked it already, and show your support to my channel. Write a comment or share this video. It is going to help a lot. Thank you very much. Bye bye.